You're not lazy. You just can't focus anymore. And it's not your fault. Every day starts with good intentions. Today I'll be productive. Today I'll focus. And then, one notification, one scroll, one distraction. And suddenly, the day is gone. Laziness is not the problem. Overstimulation is. Your brain is flooded with short videos, constant dopamine, endless information. And now, normal work feels boring. You used to sit and focus for hours. Now, 10 minutes feels hard. Not because you're weak, because your attention has been trained to expect constant stimulation. The reality is, the world is competing for your attention. Apps are designed to keep you hooked. If you don't control your focus, someone else will. Start small. 30 minutes. No phone. No distractions. Just one task. Then, repeat. Daily. Focus is a skill, not a personality trait. You don't need motivation. You need fewer distractions. Remove what's unnecessary, and your discipline will appear. You're not lazy. You've just been distracted for too long. Fix your focus, and everything changes.